Bitcoin market is still going up.
That's awesome. Our investment's growing so fast.
Oh wait, after Elon Musk tweets, Bitcoin started to go down.
That's not fair. I'm getting heart attack.
Oh yes, we are live via Temper Crypto TV. We are live. We are back again with a bang. We are back with a bang. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back on a Wednesday evening. Welcome back to Empire Crypto TV. As usual, please invite others, guys. Let's bring everyone onto the show. Let's bring everyone onto the platform, guys. We want to share this important discussion with everyone, with all your friends. Just tell your friends we are live here. Tell your neighbors, tell your teams, tell your groups that Empire Crypto TV is live. I'm your host, the Crypto King here. Tell them, guys, the Crypto King is here. All right, I'm giving you a few minutes, guys, to share this live broadcast. Share, guys. Share to your friends. Share, invite everyone. Invite all your colleagues, all your teams, all your groups. Tell them we are live here. We are live now. We are live on a Wednesday evening, guys. We're talking blockchain solutions, cryptocurrencies, trading and investing. We want you to be the best trader. We want you to start making money in this bull run. We want you to get your share of this bull run. We do not want you to miss out on this bull run. All right, there we go. Yeah, guys, do say something on the comment section. Let us know where you're watching from. Let us engage on the comment section. Let's talk. If you've got some questions that you want to ask about this market, you can always say so on the comment section. And of course, guys, press some like and love button, guys. Smash that like button. Let's guys, let's be happy. Let's be excited. It's December. The market is still holding on. The market is still excited. All right, Wendy, welcome all the way from Tugela. Welcome to Empire Crypto TV. Welcome. Please invite everyone on that side together. Tell them we're live here at Empire Crypto TV. All right. Let's hit it running, guys. Let's get moving. Let's get starting. All right, there we go. We've got Nonto all the way from Durban. All right, great stuff. Thank you for coming through. Guys, I'd like to apologize. In the last few days, we had some technical problems. We had some difficulties on our side. That's why we couldn't be live. But in any case, guys, if we are not live, you are more than welcome to go on to our YouTube channel and watch some videos. There's some powerful insights there, powerful videos that we have shared in the past. So much you can learn, so much you can follow up on those videos, guys. So every time, whenever we've got some issues, we've got some problems, and we are not live, always hop on to our YouTube channel and watch the videos. And of course, guys, do not forget to subscribe. Just do like this. Oh yes, subscribe on our YouTube channel so that you can follow us up. Every time we go live, we are always sending notifications from our YouTube channel so that people can join us up, join the live discussion that we share with you. All right, guys, it's been an eventful week. Bitcoin has been up and down. There's been so much happening in the Bitcoin, in the cryptocurrency markets space, so to say. In fact, today's discussion will be talking about what has been happening in the cryptocurrency market since beginning of this year. So the discussion is around the cryptocurrency market, the news, the highs and lows, what has been happening who has been saying what, and how the market has been responding. So this is the discussion of the day. And of course, I'll start by talking of what happened last week. As we can see, guys, the market really did some, amazing things, so to say. On the 4th of December, we wake up to 7 a.m., I think, when things happened. The market fallen to its lows in the past few weeks. On some exchanges, the market went, especially Bitcoin went as low as 42,000 US dollars, 42,000 US dollars. That happened. It went from 54,000 US dollars to 42,000 US dollars within an hour. I would say within an hour, within a very short period of time. That's what the market does. This is a volatile market. This market, that's why they say cryptocurrency market is risky, because there's so much movements, guys. The market can fall from the top to down, and can move from down to the top within a very short period of time. It can happen. Anything can happen in this market, guys. But these movements, they enable someone to make money. That's why people are making money in this market, because of the volatility of this market. If there were no volatility, if the markets was not really moving, there were not going to be people making money. There was no excitement. There was not going to be an excitement in this market. The excitement comes from the market moving from down up, from up and down. That's what creates the buying opportunities, the selling opportunities. Remember, guys, when the market is falling down, there are people who are actually buying as much as they can. There was a tweet from El Salvador president saying he bought the Bitcoin, the dip. He bought the dip when the market went down. There are so many people who bought the dip. There's so many traders, investors who saw an opportunity to buy the dip. So whenever the market is dipping, there is such an opportunity for someone to buy at low levels. But ironically, guys, I've got something on this chart, as you can see on the screen. I want to share something with you. One of the exchange, which is Huobi Global, when Bitcoin went to 42,000, there is a pair of USDC and BTC. USDC, BTC. This pair went as low as 28,000 US dollars. Most of the exchanges went to 42,000 US dollars, but this pair went as low as 28,800 US dollars. All right. I'm just showing you guys this so that you can understand and learn about how the markets work, and of course, how the brokers work in the space. When this coin went as low as 28,000 US dollars, it means people who sold or who short this coin or this pair, they made a lot of money when it went down. Of course, if they took some profits, because you might have been shorting this pair, but without putting some profits. But those who shorted this coin going down, they made a lot of money. But again, there are some people who had their buy orders at these levels, especially around 30,000 US dollars. People who might have had their buy orders to such levels, who forgot to delete or cancel their buy orders. So it means they got fulfilled if the market reached at 28,000 US dollars. So those buy orders got fulfilled. But of course, those scenarios, guys, they're not really good scenarios, because it raises some questions about the exchange, the brokerage, and the platforms. Of course, it might have played to your advantage, to your benefits, but also there is overall questions, negative sentiments about such movements, whereby those are odd scenarios. where a coin or a pair can go to those levels. All the other pairs, guys, Bitcoin went as low as 42,000 US dollars, but here it went as low as 28,000 USDC. That's weight. But of course, depending on which side you were standing, depending on which side you were sitting, you might have made money, you might have lost money on that movement. All right. Now, as we move on, looking into how Bitcoin has been trading, special throughout the day. Let's just check. Bitcoin is trading above 50,000 US dollars. A few hours back, in fact, 2 hours, 3 hours ago, it fell down to 49,000 US dollars. I'll say these scenarios that makes people scared. People are fearful now because they're expecting Bitcoin to be holding just above 50,000 US dollars going up. When Bitcoin start falling down below 50,000 US dollars, it becomes a bit of uncomfortable scenario. People start panicking. But the market overall, I'll say, is still holding on, especially looking at what happened last week when the market fell 10, 12%, 20% down. Remember when Bitcoin went down to 42,000 US dollars on a normal level, all these other coins, they went as far as 20% down, 30% down. That's what is always being spoken, guys, that invest on good coins, on good projects, because when the Bitcoin is falling, most of these coins, normally we say shit coins, they run, they fall like nobody's business. They can fall as far as 60% on a slight move of a Bitcoin falling. They can go as 60, 70, 50% down. So you must always invest. Like if we are to look into a scenario of Ethereum, Ethereum has been holding on to these levels. It was one coin also that was fast, it was fast to recover. As you can see, Ethereum is trading around 4,000. Let me just increase the font so that everyone can see. As you can see, Ethereum is trading around 4,400 US dollars. It was one of the projects that was fast to recover on the falling that happened last week. So this is one project which is great, which is good. But yeah, look, guys, let's jump into the more discussion about the highs and lows of this year. All right. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. I'd like to encourage you guys to share this live broadcast to your friends, to your family, to your colleagues. Just press the share button on your device there. Let's invite everyone. Let's bring everyone onto the platform. And do not forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, where you can watch all these videos live every time we go live. All right. We start by looking at beginning of this year. It's been an eventful year, guys. So much has been happening. So much has been happening. There's been some, boastful, some panic, some pain, some profits. A lot has been happening this year. All right. Let me see. All right. Yes, Tamsanga. All right. You are calling Zwete. Oh, yeah. Call them just now so that they can come and hear these discussions live here on the platform. Yes, guys, if you've got some questions, some comments, if you want to see or know something, you can say something on the comment section, and let's engage, guys. Let's greet one another. This is your platform, guys. I'm also a living human being. As you can see, guys, I'm not a robot. Let's engage. Let's talk. Let's talk, guys. So that I have some positive energy to continue with what I'm doing. which is educating the masses, educating people. All right. We see, guys, beginning of this year, Elon Musk tweeting. He moved this market. In fact, he was talking about his favorite coin, which is Doge. So Elon Musk, which is the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, he was able to move markets throughout the years with these tweets. In 2021, which is beginning of this year, guys, some of his most infamous quotes have been targeted in cryptocurrency market. It happened in Feb, as you can see, the tweet. It was in Feb when he tweeted Doge. First, he tweeted like Doge. He said Doge, and then secondly, he said Dogecoin is the people's crypto. And become meme. Okay, destroyer of shorts. Oh, right. This is what he tweeted earlier in Feb. That sent Dogecoin to the moon, guys. For the first time, Dogecoin started gaining traction on the ground, started moving up. So he tweeted earlier this year, and of course, the Elon Musk effects has been happening in the space, positive and negative, because after all, he went on tweeting negative about Bitcoin, and then the market came down falling because of his tweets. So it's one figure that has been, um, moving the markets. It's either to the positive or to the negative direction. So we see when he tweeted here, and then of course there was some responses where they were showing some dodgy coins, some dodges there, dogs. Okay, so Elon Musk has been actually very busy this year when it comes to the crypto space. He's been making things happen. He's been making things fall as well, like I just mentioned. And then as we move on, guys, we see now the we see China also is special this year. We see China um, introducing its own currency, digital currency to be exact. So it says China has given away millions in its digital UN trials. This is how it works. All right. The People's Bank of China has been developing the digital yuan, a so-called central bank digital currency that aims to replace some of the cash in circulation. Guys, imagine China. China is one country or is one state that heads cryptocurrency market. I will not say head, but they've been actually bring some movements into the space. How so? They've been banning crypto ever since Bitcoin started 10 years ago. Every year there has been some news from China banning cryptocurrencies, stopping cryptocurrencies. Any negative news from China against cryptocurrencies. But of course, if you had to look, last time we had some statistics showing that Chinese, these are most people who are much involved in the cryptocurrency market. The Chinese, of course, the family, the community from China. Those are people who are moving the market. Those are people who are much involved in the cryptocurrency space. So you can see the government um, is bringing some negative news into the space, but the general public, the community, they love this market. It's been like that. It's been like that for the past 10, 13 years in the past, where China has been. Um, all right. Yeah. It says Doge and Elon. It was fun making money from the tweets. Hey, man, we've made a lot of money from his tweets. It's been, look, like I said in the beginning, that this market is moved. It goes up, it goes down. The volatility, it enables people to make money. It makes people to profit from this market, whether the market is going down, whether the market is going up. But that movement, what is a market? A market is a movement. A movement, it enables people to make money. So that's what has been happening this year. All right. Oh yes, Visa, watching all the way from Windhoek, which is Namibia. Welcome to Empire Crypto TV. Welcome home. Thank you for tuning in. So yes, we still talking about China, which is um, which has introduced, it was in March 2021, earlier this year, introducing its digital currency. So, on the other hand, I'll say they're banning crypto just because they want to promote their own digital currency. So, you always wanna, shut this one, shut the noise from this famous market with this famous revolution, so that you can introduce your own product. That's what manipulation happens. That's manipulation in the market. That's monopoly. I would say monopoly or manipulation. One of those keywords whereby you wanna introduce your own project, wanna introduce your own product. You try and clean the whole market. You try and clean everything around, so that when you introduce your own project, your own coin, your own digital coin, it doesn't have competitors around. So because we have already cleaned. So this is what China has been doing all along. They have been doing that. I think the same thing has been happening in Nigeria, whereby they've introduced, or they are working on their own digital coin. And earlier this year, of course, they also started having problems, having some negative rulings against the cryptocurrency market. So this is you know something that's happening around all over the world, whereby countries, states, they want to introduce their own digital currencies. And first, what they do, they try and clean out the market. They try and pave the space for their project, so that it doesn't have competitors around. So it's been a trend. It's been happening all around. So yeah, we see that happening earlier this year. Now we move on to the next scenario, which is Coinbase goes public. All right. Earlier this year, we see Coinbase going public. If I am to just give you a bit of an explanation, what is Coinbase? Coinbase is the largest cryptocurrency trading platform in the world. When it went public in April 2021, it brought major publicity to the cryptocurrency market and legitimized the trading platform in the eyes of some investors trading under the symbol coin. Okay, the company's direct listing reference price was $250, but it ended in its first day on the market at about 328 US dollars, giving it a valuation approximately 86 billion US dollars. All right, as you can see, guys, this is Coinbase. Like I just mentioned, is one of the biggest crypto trading exchange, which is based in the United States of America. So it went public. Meaning, what does it mean by going public? It says it was listed on Nasdaq. We know Nasdaq is it's a stock exchange. It's a stock exchange. That's Nasdaq. So it happened on 14 April. Okay, after receiving official approval from the SEC, from SEC. So this is what happened. It says the company will offer 114.9 million shares as part of the direct listing, and will be the first crypto exchange to go public in the United States. All right, this is huge, guys. This is what happened earlier this year. It means crypto is getting acceptance in the financial mainstream, in the stock exchanges. Imagine in American stock exchange, which is Nasdaq, a crypto platform, a crypto project is being accepted. So this meant a lot for the cryptocurrency community as a whole. This is what happened earlier this year. It further says the anticipated event was originally scheduled to take place in March, but the company announced last month it would be postponing the listing to April without disclosing any reasons for the delay. All right. So this is what happens, guys. This is what happened during the course of the year. All right. Okay. Another event that took place earlier this year. It's this one. it's it's when right Bitcoin, guys. Earlier this year, Bitcoin drops below 30,000 US dollars. Um, After, okay, it was after it went as far as here's okay, it was after it went as far as 64,000 US dollars, guys. So Bitcoin dropped. It was around July, I remember, when Bitcoin dropped 50% down from its all-time high of 64,000 US dollars. So from 64,000 US dollars, it went as low as 30,000 US dollars. But I remember it went as low as 28,000 US dollars. By then, people started calling Bitcoin at 19,000 US dollars. Everyone was like, Bitcoin is going down to 19,000 US dollars. Bitcoin is going down. But of course, the market being the market, it went as far up as 40,000 US dollars, 50,000 US dollars, and where we are today. So it's that's what happened in the mid year, where it fell from 64,000, its all-time high, to 50% down to 30,000 US dollars. This happened in July. All right. All right. Thank you so much, Perfo Maloma, Bitcoin Kapatia. All right. Good evening, leadership. Thanks for tuning in. We are talking about events that happened during the course of this year, the highs and lows of the cryptocurrency market, the events that happened, and how the market has been performing during the course of this year. Thank you for joining us. And of course, do not forget to invite all your friends, your colleagues, everyone, your teams, your groups, so that they can understand, learn about this market that has been doing wonders throughout the year. All right. Now let's look at the next event that happened this year. Oh yeah, of course, El Salvador. All right, El Salvador. We see El Salvador. Um, El Salvador. Right. Legal 10. El Salvador. What happened is it was around September 21, 2021. It became the first country to accept Bitcoin as a legal tender in September 2021. Okay. All right. So they invested in Bitcoin as a country. Imagine a president of a country coming out and say, we are going full in, in the cryptocurrency market, in Bitcoin, to be exact. So they started buying Bitcoin just in September 2021. You know, um, it's something huge in this space. It brings that that agents to other presidents and leaders of different nations. When a leader comes out and say, I'm in support of Bitcoin. Remember, guys, Bitcoin still has got that thing whereby people are still, not sure whether it's a good thing to invest in, whether it's a legal, product, it's a legal financial instrument, to get involved in. But now, when we see such big figures coming on board, such popular figures, public figures coming on the space and say, I'm buying for the country, not only for himself, he's not only saying, I'm buying for my own pocket, but he's saying, this is a reserve for the, this is a reserve asset for the whole country. It's a legal tender for the whole country. So it's massive. Those are good news, guys, that we received earlier in the year, which is around September. This happened. Okay. All right. Great stuff. Let's check also the news. What happened again earlier this year? All right. Again, again, China. China. Okay. Again, China did the same thing again. China banning cryptocurrency mining. It happened in September again. So it means in September there's so much happened. China banning cryptocurrency mining. That's those the news that happened just when it seems as if countries around the globe might write El Salvador cartels and make cryptocurrency legal tender. China clamped down and did the exact opposite. I mean, in September. China banned cryptocurrency mining and all crypto transactions within the country. Okay. But like I just mentioned earlier, guys, China has been it's like that person who's always on and off all the time. Today you are happy, tomorrow you are not happy. Tomorrow you are happy, the other day you are on moods and stuff. This is what China has been sort of behaving in the last in the last years. I'll say in the last 10 years, it's been behaving weird, around cryptocurrency market. They've been banning, looking into this market with a very squint eye. But yeah, this is what has been happening. We are now used to the situation in such a way that it's no longer moving the market that much, even if they bring negative news, the market doesn't really goes down, doesn't dip that much. We are now used to China with their tactics. Sometimes we might say they are tactics, but of course we might say they are banning, but those are tactics whereby they are buying and more of a cryptocurrency market. You will be surprised one day, mark my words. We'll be surprised one day when China comes out and say they've got the biggest crypto reserve. They've got the biggest cryptocurrency portfolio. You'll be surprised. These dips that they keep on performing is not by any mistake. They are doing something behind. Behind something is happening. Something is brewing. They are buying more and more. Mark my words. All right. That's China for you. Okay. Right. The next news it's first Bitcoin ETF goes public in October 2021. All right, electronic trade. It's a ETF. Okay. Investors have long clamored for a Bitcoin ETF. Okay, so it's called ETF. This happened around October 2021. It's some sort of positive news in the crypto space. It's acceptance of Bitcoin. I mean, those are products that are bringing more investors, institutional investors into the space because they get to now invest in different products in this market as opposed to just investing on the Bitcoin as per directly on Bitcoin, but you can now start investing on the movement of these assets, these crypto assets, So this is what happened in October 2021. And the next one, it's Shiba Inu goes parabolic in October 2021. Oh yes, this is um, what was meant by all right, the leadership. Yes, said Doge and Elon Musk. It was fun making money from the tweets. Oh yes, this is what happened, guys. In October 2021, so much money was made. People made a lot of money from investing on Shiba Inu. You know, um, there was some positive news about the project, and people. I've got people that I know. Not talking about myself, but people. Someone invested 10,000 in August, and then in October when Shiba went parabolic, that 10,000 brought profits of 100. That 10,000 moved to 100,000. So from an investment of 10,000 to Shiba, it went as far as 100,000. So that was amazing, guys. That was amazing. So many people made a lot of money in this space when Shiba went parabolic. So this is what happened in October 2021. All right, the next event that happened, it's when Bitcoin hits all-time high of six. Some people saying October has been a quiet month. I've been seeing a lot of tweets saying October has been a negative month, but I beg to differ, because if you had to look, there was an all-time high that was broken. We broke an all-time high of 64,000 US dollars to create a new all-time high of 68,000 US dollars. This happened in November 2021. So as you can see, these were the news, guys. Apparently the Bitcoin was coming from 30,000, the lowest of 30,000 US dollars just in July, now pushing to 68,000 US dollars. So this was positive around the market. This is still positive around the market, guys. All right. The next one is when the cryptocurrency market cap, guys. Cryptocurrency market cap is very much important. This is the sum of all the crypto projects combined. Crypto world hits 3 trillion market cap as Ether Bitcoin gain. All right. So the market went as far as 3 trillion for the first time, guys. This was for the first time when the market hit all this all-time high of a 3 trillion market cap. This is the whole cryptocurrency market. So this was positive, and this happened on November 8th. On November 8th. We've always been on 2 trillion, but we went as far as 3 trillion coin market cap. So let me just check if there are some. Okay, so it further went on to say that was then. The cryptocurrency market is now worth more than 3 trillion. The little more than a decade-old market for digital assets is already roughly quadrupled from its 2020 year-end value, as investors have gotten more comfortable with the established tokens such as Bitcoin, and networks like Ethereum and Solana continue to upgrade and attract new functionality. Okay, excitement about the possibilities of decentralized finance and non-fungible tokens is growing, and meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu continue to attract attention. Of course, guys, the market is growing every time, every day. There are some projects that are being introduced, like DeFi projects, NFTs. Currently, we've got Metaverse also. those are projects that are bringing more investors and traders into the space, and they introducing this market to the broader community, to more people who are coming. Someone might come into the space just because they were attracted by metaverse projects. Some, they come into the space, especially the NFTs. They attract a lot of people. They keep on attracting a lot of artists, musicians. Those are people attracted into the space through NFTs. And when they come into the space through NFTs, they get to understand this whole market and start investing in this market. So it's positive. This project, they introduce more people, more community into this space, which is positive. DeFi products, they're also very much being accepted in the community space. So this is what has been happening, guys. This is what happened throughout 2021 in the crypto space. And let's dive back into the market and see which coin has been performing better this past few days. Let's dive deep. Let's check which coin has been performing better. All right, there we go to coin market cap. All right, let's check. I think there is this coin. All right, Terra Luna is at 13% for the week. Shiba is down 19% for the week. And then Polygon Matic, wow, great stuff, guys. It's 25% for the week. 25% for the week. As you can see, it's trading around $2.53. It's been doing well this week, guys. There's so much happening around the Polygon ecosystem, so much positive news around this project. And I'm excited because it's one project that I'm heavily invested in. So when it's growing like this, when it's so green like this, I'm happy. It means my investment is growing. So yeah, I'm still hoping that it goes further. If it can go to $5, $10, that will be exciting. That will be amazing. So I'm more than excited of this project, which is doing well these past few days. Polygon Matic. Okay, I started investing in this project, guys. I did a video. If you have been following me, you can check the video on YouTube where I spoke about this project, where I spoke about how to accumulate more coins about this project. In fact, I went as far as staking my coins on Altcoin Trader. And now, so far, I think I've accumulated more than 5,000 rands worth of these coins on Alcon Trader. So you can just buy this project instead of keeping it on your wallet. You can stake it to keep on producing, giving you more coins. So you don't just keep it on your wallet, but you can stake it. So this is what I did. On Alcon Trader, it's not called staking, but it's called Easy Save. So it's got a name called Easy Save, but it means one and the same thing. So you can watch my video on YouTube. Go to Empire Crypto TV and find the video where I spoke about this project. Find the video where I did spoke about this project when I was staking. I think it was back then, it was worth 100,000 of my portfolio when I was taking this project, but now it has gained a lot. It is giving me good profits, guys, good rewards. So yeah, do not sleep on this project. It's still gonna go further, still gonna go far. I started investing on this project way back in 2018. So I found this project, I discovered this project way back in 2018. So it's good, guys, to find project, and it's good to keep holding. Hold your project, guys, for a long time. Do not just buy and sell on a short period of time. There are some projects in your portfolio where you invest in them and then let them run for the next 3 years to 5 years. If it can go to 10 years, that's okay also. As long as you see the project still has got some steam, still has got some potential, still has got some future. Some of this project you can actually see by your analysis that is doing a lot in the space. It's not gonna just start going down anytime soon. So you just invest in this project, guys. It's good to hold. Apparently, they say holding beats trading. I've seen it a lot. I've seen that happening, and that's true. Trading is good when you want to make more on a short period of time so that you can buy more projects. Trade on the side, but take the profits and buy projects that you're gonna invest on a long term. In that way, you're gonna make a lot of money. All right, you're gonna make a hefty lot of money. Thank you, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I see there are not much of questions. Let me check if there are some questions. I see Tico. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. I liked your Facebook post where you said Indians, they have been getting involved in the crypto space. A lot of them have been getting involved in the cryptocurrency space. You also went on to mention that there are 15 million Indians who have gotten involved in the crypto space. I'm not sure where you got that figure, but if it's positive, that's positive. It's good to hear such statistics. Thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome to Empire Crypto TV. Any questions, guys? Any comments? Let's engage on the comment section before I close. I'm giving you a few minutes, guys. Then we close this show and we meet again tomorrow. Okay. Anything else on the comment section? Anything else on the comment section? Let me check if there is anything else. Let me check if there is anything else. Do not forget, guys, to subscribe. All right, this is what you do. Go onto our YouTube channel and subscribe so that you do not miss all this information that we're sharing with you. All right, I see. All right, here's a question, guys. It says how to make money quickly with crypto. Right, I'll say this. Cryptocurrency is not a quick get rich scheme. Cryptocurrency market is a market which is real. You mustn't approach this market with a very get rich quick mentality. I always receive such inbox, people asking, how can I make money very quick? It's because so many people have been taken a ride by, or they've been invited by these people who say, I can multiply your money in the next 24 hours or in the next 48 hours. I can double your money. There's nothing like that, guys. Be very, very, very reasonable when you're coming into the crypto space. The market can give you good money. It can, of course, the market can give you 100%, 200% within a week, within a month, but that's not guaranteed. That's not what we are preaching. That's not what we are talking about. We say, come on this space, get involved on a long-term focus, on a long-term vision, and anything can happen to your investment along the journey. Within any period of time, something can happen. Your 10,000, like I mentioned earlier, that there was a gentleman who invested 10,000 rands on Shiba in August, and in October, which is 2 months later, his 10,000 rands went to 100,000 rands. But that's not guaranteed. That's not what we say is going to happen every time. Thus, we emphasize people to understand this market and learn, get involved in this market for a long period of time, for long term. All right. Thank you so much, Bitcoin Kapatia. Indeed, leadership in crypto must be very patient. Of course, absolutely true. You have to be patient on this market. Yes, anything can happen. We have seen cryptocurrency market like Bitcoin. It was 30,000 US dollars, what we are talking about today in July, but now it's already at 50,000 and it's coming from 60,000 US dollars. So market can do anything. It can do wonders. You might invest on a project like now, today, and the next day the project goes 50%, 100%. It's very much possible. But those are rare scenarios. Those are not guaranteed scenarios. What we are preaching here, what we are talking, what we are educating people is to be very patient in this market. Invest and be patient. All right. Oh, yes. People must be willing to learn. Of course, people must be willing to learn. You must invest so much time in learning. Go on to YouTube channel Empire Crypto TV and start educating yourself. Start finding out about different tactics that you can undertake, different strategies that you can actually apply in your investing journey. All right, thank you so much. We try our best to bring all this information to the masses, to our community, so that people can start making money in this market. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. And I believe for today it's enough. Let's meet again tomorrow. We are live again tomorrow at 7 p.m. In the meantime, do go onto our YouTube channel and subscribe at Empire Crypto TV. Let's subscribe. All right. Let me see if I've got.
Bitcoin market is still going up.
That's awesome. Our investments growing so fast.
Oh wait, after Elon Musk tweets, Bitcoin started to go down.
That's not fair. I'm getting heart attack.
All right, Bitcoin market is still here, guys. It's not going anywhere. The market is still here. There's still so much money that we're gonna make in this market, guys. If you are not on the crypto space, you are losing so much. If you haven't taken action on this market, you have lost so much. The most market, the most rewarding market on this space right now is the cryptocurrency market. Nothing else. Nothing else. So let's get involved, guys. Let's make money. Yeah, thank you so much. These were events that happened throughout the year, throughout 2021. Let's meet again tomorrow.